was just a moniker from Hollywood. Until this lady, right here, made it a national phenomenon. And it is only a coincidence that her name is Preity Zinta. Miss Zinta has been trending since last evening. Because Indian cinema's Zara hasn't aged at all. When Punjab Kings 11 and Delhi Capitals fought each other on the second day of IPL 2024, it was Preity who grabbed all the spotlight with her charm. The co-owner of Punjab Kings 11 was seen cheering enthusiastically from the stands on Saturday in a white salwar suit paired with a phulkari dupatta. Her Desi look coupled with her Desi smile was enough to send the stadium into a tiz. Look at her! Doesn't her look remind you of Zara from Veer Zara? In one of the viral videos, Preity is seen giving flying kisses to her team upon their victory. The internet, as expected, is in a collective meltdown. Preity has anyway been Miss Charming of Bollywood. Her dimpled smile has been stealing everyone's thunder since the very inception of glam roles in modern Indian cinema. Her simplicity shone without makeup in her debut film Dil Se as well. Her fashion mantra has always been fuss-free, which the regular girlies can totally relate to. We liked how she styled her red midi dress with simple black heels for an event recently and kept her makeup neat. The rest of the time, PZ is often seen in sweatshirts and pop t-shirts that look fun and comfy. But when she has to go glam, she can do it with elan and aplomb. Preeti's love for Indian wear is palpable and one can actually find a lot of inspiration on her Instagram account. From traditional salwar suits to elaborate saris, her ethnic looks are quite enviable. Should the pretty Preity Zinta be named as the evergreen national crush of India? What do you say? Tell us in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for all things trending.